Hi, my name is Elizabeth Miller, and my current field placement is through my agency that I work for. It's a nonprofit agency in South Jersey. My field placement is FFT, Functional Family Therapy, and I am a full-blown therapist um, for youth 12 and older who have had some police involvement, or even if it's a truancy officer and their families. Um, and my current job, on top of the field placement, is a children's mobile response worker. So I go out and meet youth in the home who are currently experiencing a crisis. So what I would hope to get out of this course is just more information on how to better serve those who have faced immense trauma in their life, because that's something that I literally do on a daily basis, for both work and for my field placement. I definitely think studying trauma is relevant to my future career because it's relevant to my current career. So, of course, it's going to be relevant to my future career. Um, Trauma has touched anyone and everyone in a certain capacity, um, but especially those within the social work field. Um, Three ways that I will take care of myself this semester, which are really important because um, I am meeting youth and families who have their own trauma, and it is difficult to not carry that um, with me when I get home. So, a few ways are continuing to go to the gym, so physical exercise. Um, I pray, so I go to church on a weekly basis, but I also pray every night. Um, and lastly, by just taking the end of the night to decompress. Watch 30 minutes of television, Hallmark Channel, Animal Planet, something um, that is just not heavy. And that's my plan. Thank you.